Good morning and welcome back, students. How are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So let's start our today's class for English grammar. And I would be continuing with the chapter number 3 pronouns from the grammar gate. So let's just revise the topics quickly which we studied in the previous video. So let's revise the topics quickly. We studied that on the basis of case, pronouns are classified into nominative case, objective case, and possessive case. So let's see nominative case. The pronouns which are in the place of subject are said to be of nominative case. For example, I, you, he, she, it, they, and we are considered as subject pronouns and so they are said to be in nominative case. Let's see objective case. When the pronouns are used at the place of the object of the sentence, then those pronouns are said to be in objective case. For example, me, us, them, and you. All these pronouns are in the place of object and so they are said to be in objective case. And let's see the last one, possessive case. When the pronoun is used to show the possession, that means belonging or ownership of someone, it is said to be in possessive case. For example, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, her, their, and theirs are the pronouns which shows the possession. We also studied all the cases for first person, second person, and third person singular and plural. So students, I would like to request you to go through this table. Over here, the first column shows the type of pronoun, that is singular first person, second person, and third person, and plural first person, second person, and third column. And the second column shows the nominative case, that means the sentence in which the pronouns are in the place of subject. And the second column shows the objective case where the pronouns written over here are at the place of object in the sentence. And the third column shows the possessive case, that means these pronouns shows the possession or belonging of someone. So let's move on towards the exercise which I gave you in the previous video. Write whether the underlined pronouns are nominative, objective, or possessive case. So first one, my mother is baking a cake. She has put it in the oven. So over here, she is in the place of subject and so it is a nominative case. Second one, summer is the season for mangoes. I love them. Over here, I is at the place of subject and so it is said to be in nominative case. Let's see the third one. Aunt Sarah is arriving in June. She will take us to the zoo. So here the pronoun us is at the place of the object in the sentence and so it is said to be in objective case. Let's see the fourth one. This is the children's room. The television is also theirs. So here the pronoun theirs shows the possession of the television which belongs to children and so it is said to be in possessive case. Let's see the fifth one. Can you give me Jane's number? I will call her on her birthday. Your pronoun her is at the place of object and so it is said to be in objective case. Let's see the last one. Write to me from Dubai. I shall miss you when you are gone. So here you again is at the place of the object and so it is said to be in objective case. So students, please check the answers and write it down in your Grammar Gate textbook. Now let's move on towards our today's topic. Today's topic is possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that replaces the possessive noun and shows possession. It means that a pronoun which replaces the noun and shows possession is said to be possessive pronoun. Now I hope you remember what is possessive noun. Let's see. A possessive noun shows the ownership or belonging of particular person in the sentence. Let's see the example in the image. The first one says the boy's kite. It means that the kite belongs to the boy. So, the boy's kite is said to be a possessive noun. In the same way, the second example is girl's balloons. So, here the balloons belong to the girl. So, we show the possession by using apostrophe s after the noun, and that makes the noun possessive. Now let's see some example of possessive pronoun. So the possessive pronouns are his, hers, its, mine, ours, theirs and yours. Let's study the possessive pronouns in detail. The first one is possessive pronouns for first person. So you all remember who is considered to be the first person. First person is the person who is talking. That means myself or I. Now the possessive pronoun used for the first person is mine. Let's see the example. Rahul said, "This is Rahul's book." So here students, who is the speaker? Rahul. And Rahul is saying that this is Rahul's book. So instead of writing Rahul's book, we can use the pronoun mine. And we can write the sentence Rahul said, "This book is mine." So here mine is a possessive pronoun for first person singular. Now let's see what the girls over here are saying. One of the girl, Tina, said, "This is Tina's and Mina's book." That means that the book belongs to Tina and Mina. Now as you can see, Tina is also the speaker, so they are considered as first person plural. And instead of writing Tina's and Mina's book, we can use the possessive pronoun ours. So let's read the sentence now. Tina said, "This book is ours." So here the pronoun ours shows the belonging of the book, which belongs to the speaker and her friend. Let's move on to the next possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns for second person. So the second person is the person to whom we are talking, and the pronoun used for second person is you. Let's see the image. What does it show? Well, we can see that a boy is giving a present to the man. Let's hear their conversation. The son said to the father, "This gift is for you." So the boy over here is the son, who is the speaker, and he said to father. And so the father over here is second person, that this gift is for you. That means that the gift belongs to his father. So instead of writing the gift is for you, we can use a possessive pronoun for the second person, and the possessive pronoun for second person is yours. So let's read the sentence again. The son said to father, "This gift is yours." So here the possessive pronoun yours is used to show the possession for the second person. And the second person over here is the father to whom the son is talking. Let's move on to the next possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns for third person. Well, you all know third person is the person to whom we are talking to. They can be masculine, feminine, or neuter gender. So the pronouns normally we use for third person are he, she, it, and they. Let's see the image over here. It says, "This pair of shoes is hers." That means that she is the owner of the shoes. Here, she is the pronoun used for third person singular female, and hers is the possessive pronoun used for feminine gender. We use hers to show the possession of the shoes of the girl. So remember students that we use the possessive pronoun hers for feminine gender in third person singular. Let's see the second image. Here we can see a girl who is pointing out at the boy who is holding a book. She is referring to the boy with his book. So here we use his to show the possession of the book of the boy. So we use his as a possessive pronoun for masculine gender third person singular. Let's study the third image. It says that house is theirs. So it means that the house belongs to them. They are the owner of the house. Here the pronoun they is used for third person plural and the possessive pronoun used is theirs. So we use theirs to show the possession of the house of the family. And remember that we use theirs as a possessive pronoun for third person plural. I hope students that you have understood the possessive pronouns for first, second and third person singular and plural. So let's study some more sentences. I bought a video game. It's mine. So here the pronoun mine shows the possession of the video game which belongs to me. The second one, the jacket belongs to David. The jacket is his. So the pronoun his shows the possession of the jacket which belongs to David, who is a third person masculine gender. Let's see the third one. The cats belong to Lena and Tina. The cats are theirs. So here the pronoun theirs shows the possession of the cats which belongs to them. And Lena and Tina are two of them and they are third person plural. Let's see the fourth one. We live in the bungalow. The bungalow is ours. So here the pronoun ours shows the possession of the bungalow which belongs to us. Let's see the fifth one. Sheila bought a new dress. The dress is hers. So here the pronoun hers shows the possession of the dress which belongs to Sheila, where Sheila is third person singular and also a feminine gender. Let's move on to the next type of gender, that is demonstrative pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun points out to the specific person, place or thing that they refer to. So these are the pronouns which points out people and things. So let's see some of the demonstrative pronouns, and those are this, that, these and those. You can see the image, it shows four demonstrative pronouns. This is a book. This is a demonstrative pronoun. In the same way, these are books. In that also, THESE. These is a demonstrative pronoun. Then the next image says, that is a book. So here, that is a demonstrative pronoun. And the last finger points out that those are books. So here, those is the demonstrative pronoun. Now let's learn the usage of each of these demonstrative pronouns. The first one is this. This is said to be a singular pronoun and is used for people or things that are near the speaker. The second one is that. It is also a singular demonstrative pronoun and is used for the people or things that are far away from the speaker. That means that this is used for the objects or people which is near the speaker, and that is used for the people or things which is far away from the speaker. Let's see the next one. These. It is a plural demonstrative pronoun used for people or things that are near the speaker. And those is the demonstrative plural pronoun which is used for people or things that are far away from the speaker. Let's see one more example to understand the demonstrative pronouns. Let's study this image. Over here, the first pointer says, This is an apple. So here the demonstrative pronoun this is used for an apple which is singular in number and it is also near the speaker. The second pointer says that is an apple. So here that is a demonstrative pronoun which is used for a singular object, that is one apple, but that apple is far away from the pointer. The third pointer says these are apples. So here the demonstrative pronoun these is used for plural objects which are near. So in this picture there are more apples but they are near the pointer. And the last pointer says those are apples. So here the demonstrative pronoun those is used for the far off objects which are plural in number. So in this image you can see that we have more apples but they are far away from the pointer. So students, I hope that you have understood both the types of pronouns, that is demonstrative pronouns and possessive pronouns. Please go through the video twice or thrice for better understanding. See you soon students. Thank you.